kijing petip nam ta kubor light kam hikai kidon artli kam hikai ke balan kawe ke bere jong deficit kawe ke jong food teacher te komunikong an assistant teacher at nativity RCLP school mau kerwan kabere mau kerwan te qualification kandai class 12 pass graduate postgraduate with DLED BEd MTED kemud ba pila mendai pas class 12 rengkat bakat DLED lane bat ke MTED lane pila mendai graduate ru tambah pihak bandon jaga DLED pada lawan ke BEd bat ke MTED te compulsory mo nam ta ki UPLP ke MTED is compulsory. Salary deficit age limit as per government rules for aided deficit school last date to submit application along with documents kandai khat artrik Oktober ajar par in the secretary office. Date of interview 13 October 22 at 9 AM in the school premises. Teka last date kandai khat artrik Oktober interview kandai khat laitrik Oktober. Teka ne kadeh po mo korwat teki wa ban apply kane phia ban lej po school man submit ya ki application ki jong phi nam ta kane tekan mo film de pas class 12 film de graduate film de post graduate tama phab don ni ka DLED phab don ni ka BEd mo or BEd DLED lane BEd tama MTED is compulsory nam ta baro sakawai pat application are invited for one post of food teacher at Little Star UP School Kli Dupon Lat Rambai kene ke Pola Rambai is Jainte Hill. Qualification graduate with DLED or graduate with BEd. Film de graduate with DLED and with BEd with 50% for general candidate and 45% for ST/SC candidate and MTED is compulsory. Nomor pakade post jongki primary support the MTED is compulsory man apply kan ema. Salary as per government food teacher pay katkum ka jingsiu jong government mo nam ta ki food teacher. Age limit as per government last date of submission kandai khasau 3 Oktober ajar date of interview kandai khanyo 3 Oktober ajar place of interview kandai school premises timing kandai khatwe beje step contact te hangni ada bai contact number safun khandai ruwai ar san we nyau not we san parune we pat nyau not san we not live pra so pra te kane ada bai contact number filaban phone nam ta ba submit di application jong phi bat nam ta kane ka nativity bada phi ban lech po school mar kram ai contact number tang gine ki jing petip khule juan